Hello Cardano fans. Yes, in this video we've got a video for you guys. I don't know how many of you are out there anymore, but yeah, we are covering Cardano, one of the chains that I really dislike. And you know, if you've followed me around for a while, you'll know that I don't like it because there's not really much going on there. In this video we're going to see if there has been any change. And that's because a long time ago, maybe about 8 months ago, I tried out SundaeSwap when it first came out. There was so much hype behind it. I saw the Twitter following was astronomical, and you know, I want to see in 8 months has anything really changed. So let's go to SundaeSwap. I've connected my wallet, and I remember, if I go to orders over here, I remember I did a transaction. This was the end of January, and I remember that it took 10 days for my transaction to go through, which is absolutely ridiculous. You know, we talk about transactions being 1 second, 2 seconds, maybe 5 seconds, maybe 20 seconds at max. Days, what a joke, what a joke. And you know, I was so shocked when it took this long for my transaction. Now the thing is, you know, as I scroll down from top to bottom, the tokens are pretty much the same as before. We haven't really seen anything else. You know, I scroll down, I recognize some of these other tokens here, but you know, really this is garbage. These are meme coins. This is a joke. And unfortunately, the main thing that I was really looking forward to was whether or not we would have a stable coin on the Cardano network. Doesn't seem like there's one over here, which is pretty appalling. You know, the other thing is, you know, let's say if I had some ADA, let's say I had 3 ADA, which is a whole load of just under $2, and you know, I wanted to buy another token of some sort. Well, here is the cost of doing so. It's going to cost 2.5 ADA just for this scooping transaction. They've got your own transaction fees. And you kind of have to provide a deposit which gets returned to you after. It's just a joke. So yeah, I'm not very happy with that. That's not very good. I think if you go to DeFi Llama, look, this is one of the worst things as well. Look at this. Cardano is rank 28. Look at these chains that are above it. How on earth has Bitcoin got more TVL than Cardano? That is just remarkable. And just look at some of these chains that are above it. I mean, some of these chains are not particularly great at all. And you know, Cardano only 100 million in TVL. Is, you know, I know 100 million is a lot of money, but if you actually compare it to what some of these other chains have, you know, even if you 10 times the amount that Cardano has on its network, it's just not enough. And you know, really, if you look at these applications, they were there before, and it's not looking great. When you just look at some of these values here, it's not looking great at all. You just kind of wonder what's really happened over the last 8 months. What kind of development has gone on here? Because this is appalling, really. I mean, you can go to MinSwap, which I just went on before. It looks relatively nice. It looks like a nice platform. It gives me some Spirit Swap or some of the kind of phantom decentralized exchanges vibes. You know, they've got a few little farming opportunities and things like that here, but really the yields are, first of all, appalling. Secondly, there's no stable coin, and thirdly, you know, what are you really doing on Cardano? This is just a waste of time. And yeah, if you want my opinion, I think the story is the same. Avoid this ghost chain for the time being, and you know, let's see what happens in the future. You know, I like development. I think more development, more competition drives innovation. It's a good thing if we've got more chains doing well, but this one is doing appalling. And you know, for those of you who are saying that this deserves to be, let's have a look. I can't type at this time of night. Right, let's got it. Let's go to cryptocurrencies. For those of you who say that this should be rank 6, you don't know what you're talking about. So that's all I've got for you today. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another video soon.